Everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So here we will be doing this reading passage purely on the basis of keyword strategy. I will tell you how to solve any reading only on the basis of keyword strategy, but out of 13 or 14 questions, 2 or 3 questions you require to use your paraphrasing skills or synonyms kind of thing. Otherwise, out of all questions you can find it only through the keyword strategy. I will show you. Now I will not be reading anything, only I have understood the meaning of this title, Canoes Around the World, that is used in water. Okay, it's like boat kind of thing. Okay, so here first type of question we have been given here, types of canoes means type list of people kind of question. We have to match these three things with all the options. So means match each description with the correct this cannoes. Okay, next type of question we have, complete the summary below, no more than 2 words. It means you will be doing practice with me. Match the list of people or types of this thing. We have to match with this, and second is fill in the blanks where no more than 2 words are there. I am always doing my reading passage from the first type of question, because here you can just find it while reading all these things. It may be possible that 4 or 5 paragraphs will be done while finding location for these questions. And for the second type of question, it may be useful for like whatever we will be underlining or circle the things that may be useful for the second type of and third type of question. So let's do this list of description kind of thing. Here they have given three types of birch bark, dugout, plank, and for these we have to match. Let's read all of them and try to understand its meaning along with the keyword. Held together with rope, held together, made from a hollowed log out. So this is name, they can't change it. I don't think so they can't change. So use just mark only those words which you think that they can't change. Made waterproof with gum and grease. Okay, constructed with the use of both fire and water, easy to carry over land, sealed with pitch and tar, made to carry just a few people. Okay, this I don't know what is this because it is not matching with that. Okay, now we have all this rope can be changed. This log hollowed, they can't change, I don't think so. Gum and grease, same word will find. Water and fire, same word. Overland may be different word. Pitch and tar, same word you will get. Few people means 2-3 people or 4-5 people they can give like that. And now let's find this first location, birch bark. So in first paragraph, side by side do some underlining and circle the things. Every word you should not underline the things. 3 basic types of canoes: the framework, bark, dugout, plank, developed by cultures on every continent, prehistoric time. So always in these kinds of reading, first paragraph is always introduction about the topic and all. Now the second paragraph, I can see my first word that I was looking for, this word, birch bark. Okay, so where you will find these words? Definitely we will select the options, and here 3 options are there. It means these option names, these alphabets can come repeat. Okay, so let's read it. An example of the frame and bark type of construction was developed in the region that is now northeastern United States and eastern Canada. Native Americans constructed the canoes by building a frame from spruce wood and then using roots to stitch pieces of birch bark over the frame. In the area where birch was not available, bark from was instead. After the bark was sewn to the frame, the canoes were then sealed with a mixture of gum and bear grease. So these 2 words were there here, so I will just mark it A number here. Okay, now we have done, so I have done. You can do like this also. Now these substances worked very well to make the boat watertight. Okay, birch canoes were light lightweight and then easily transported around waterfalls from lake to lake. These were lightweight and thus easily transported around waterfall from lake to lake. From lake to lake means by land or by road, or they can take. Somewhere they were talking about held together with rope made from a log. This we have done. Constructed with use no fire and water was not there. Easy to carry over land. I think we can match this with that. Now another, okay, few more lines are also left for this. Yeah, 2 or 3 people is also. Most were designed to hold no more than 2 or 3 people. Were used for land and river travel. Okay, 2 or 3 people means made to just carry just a few people. It means A will come. So here you can see A option A option has come with three questions. Now dugout. Okay, so dugout is in next paragraph. See this dugout. Now the dugout, a canoe created from a single tree trunk, has been used in many areas throughout the world. Simple versions of, see this same word was there, simple, so they are using this word for this. It means this will come with B number. Okay, this also we have done, this also we have done, this also we have done. Okay, now coming to next line. Native peoples throughout much of North America, coastal groups such as the Haida in the Pacific Northwest, where large dugout create 60 feet no longer could carry large number of people. Here large number of people, it means we have selected right option. Okay, coastal group, they send carry trade, war, number of people on the ocean for trade, war, fishing, whaling, travel to ceremonial gathering. First, the outer and inner bark around the entire circumference of a tall straight tree, often is cedar, redwood, was removed. This process called girdling cuts off the flow of sap, thus killing the tree, make it chop down. The tree was filled, same way you have to read it, but read very fast. Okay, I have to make video, that's why I am reading little bit slow. So felled and cut to the appropriate length. The opening of the dugout was created by repeatedly burning the wood, then carving out with tools. In early times stone woods were used, but later tools came into use. Once the canoe was carved out, the boat builders fill it with water, and water to bring it boil, used heated on fire, and water is also there. See this, 2 words they have used, so we will match it with this B number. Now here how you can save your time. Now only 1 and 2 is left. 1 and 2 is left. It means these will be C, but I am making video, I will show it to you. So here last options, we know three questions have matched with A number and 2 with B, and now here this paragraph is almost finished. It means next we will not get anything, I don't think so. Now we have to read about plank. Okay, so plank may be in next paragraph. The ocean Chumash people of what is known Southern California development plank canoe. It means they have started talking about third number. We were right, two options will come with C, but we are making video, so I will tell you the location. So here next page I have done turn it, carving, shaping them into canoe without any frame. Here there is no frame. In other 2 options were they were using frame. They lash the planks together by drilling holes and tying them with cords. If you do not know the meaning of cords, then you can't find this answer. Rope means cords or strings, they can use the word. But of course, as I told you, 2 options were left. You can always put C with them. And I can see tar, pitch also. So it means this is also matching with this C number. So we were right. So next question is, that is fill in the blanks, complete the summary with two words. Dash to them, and 36, let's, because we have to read 2-3 lines, so that 2-3 sentences, so that we can get some keywords. Double-hulled canoes were made by connecting outrigger canoes with dash because they could travel ocean in those. Okay, so now you can see 2 paragraphs are left. This and these three paragraphs are left. It means location may be starting from these last three paragraphs. So here I am looking for to them. So here I am looking for to them. So nothing they have given, to them. You can use this important, because I have already told in many videos, when you are doing reading in blanks, the word before, the words after the blank are important to find the location. So two words I can see here. The canoe played a role in Pacific Island cultures. These cultures developed outrigger word is also there, and double hulled canoes. It means canoes. Okay, outriggers have one or more parallel floats attached to them. Attached to them will not come, because it will incomplete. Something should come to them. What is them? So they are talking about these cultures developed outrigger and double hulled dugouts, canoes. So they are talking about canoes. This is to them, I think they have given. Outriggers, no, this is outriggers have one or more parallel floats attached to dugout canoe with poles. Okay, so to them, I think this is the location, and here we can just write parallel floats attached to them. So I will just write parallel floats. This is difficult question. If you can find it, it's good. If you can't find and you are doing reading on the basis of words, then it is difficult to find. But yes, I have told you the words after this thing, the words after the blank and before are usually helpful. So here attached will not come. If you think the attached will come, no. Before that, what is attached? This is attached to this canoe. So next, double hulled canoes were made, have a platform between two parallel. So were made means have a platform between two parallel dugouts. Two word is also there. See this? Connecting two outrigger canoes with dash. Have one or more parallel floats attached to a dugout canoe with poles for increased stability. So what the double hulled canoes have a platform between two parallel dugouts. So connecting two outrigger canoes with platforms we can write. A word is also there because we have given option two words. So I can write a platform. Now next question. With a means have a. This double hulled canoes have a platform between two parallel dugouts. So here it is given. Canoes were made by connecting two outrigger canoes with a platform because they could travel over. Now next sentence is there. This is not attached with that. Because they could travel over off ocean. So let's find off ocean. Because I am telling you how to find answers with the help of keywords. So off ocean. Design combined to go on epic special journey, inhabit far-flung 200 families in the largest could sell in of those. No, we are looking for off ocean. In the largest could sail in double hand with food, water domesticated across off ocean. I have gotten. It means huge expenses will come. Huge expenses of ocean. See this. Across means just you can. They could travel over. Over huge expenses of ocean. Here we can just write. Okay, next one. Polynesians were able to inhabit islands all across the Pacific Oceans. In West Africa, large war. Now we have to look for West Africa. So here West Africa is not there. Africa word is in next paragraph, and West Africa I can see here. Large war canoes capable of transporting many fighters were carved from single trees. Okay, so what the statement is asking, in West Africa large war canoes were used to carry, capable of transporting many fighters. Yes, many fighters will come. Large canoes were used to carry. Yes, you can see this, how they have paraphrased the thing. You can just note it down. In same words, same line is there. In West Africa, large war canoes were used to carry, means capable of transporting many this thing. Now next, today is important word to find. Dash canoes were made of modern materials such as. Now let's find these three words. They will take us to the location. Today is also there. See this. Traditional cultures around the world still use dognet canoes for fishing transportation. Today is again modern recreational canoes, while often now constructed with. Now this is the location. Now we, from here to here, this is the location, we will find it, the answer. Okay, see this. Today dash canoes were made of modern materials. Today modern recreational canoes. See this, these two words are missing, otherwise everything is there. Today blank canoes. It means a modern recreational word will come. Now the last blank is left, 40 number. These modern canoes are similar in form to canoes. Okay. Now here we have left the previous question. The sailboat widely used in racing is a direct descendant of double-hulled sail canoes used thousands of years. Another line is also there or not? See, these modern canoes are similar in form to dash canoes. Two word, if canoes is, I'm looking now, this is difficult to find, but let's find it. Okay, because when I am looking for keyword strategy, then two word is not there. Then these modern canoes are similar in the form to dash. Now we have to just use our brain for finding the paraphrasing kind of thing. So modern word is here. Today's modern recreational canoes, while now often constructed with this and other synthetic materials, still retain the shape and basic design of canoes. Canoes word is here. Developed in the distant past. Okay, so this last line is not this last sentence is not matching with this. So these modern canoes, so modern word was here and are similar into form of birch bark canoes. So I can write it because they, from here to here, they were talking about this modern recreational, and here saying still retain the shape and basic design of the birch bark canoes developed in the distant past. So here I can use birch bark. This is one word, and if you want to write to the are similar in form to the birch bark, the also you can write, then also two words will be there, 1 and 2.